This crib stands out for its 3-in-1 design, letting you use it as a standard sleeping space, a safe play area, and later a small daybed without buying extra furniture. Its folding frame is genuinely practical, collapsing flat in seconds, so it is easy to store in a closet or take along when visiting family. The solid New Zealand pine construction feels sturdy and well finished, and the clean slatted look fits in with both modern and traditional nurseries. Smooth rolling wheels, with 2 that lock securely, make it simple to move the crib from room to room and then keep it firmly in place when your baby is inside. Parents who care about indoor air quality will appreciate that it meets strict safety standards and low emission certifications, with finishes that avoid harsh chemicals. 3 mattress height options and the included compliant mattress pad give you flexibility as your baby grows while still keeping the footprint compact for smaller spaces.